Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video on the View into House World. Today we got a super awesome watch face for you all to check out in the Gear Manager store. Right now it is free. It will be ending sometime today. So if you like this watch face, go ahead and get your download on now. All right, with that being said, the name of the watch face is called Night Drone. And I can see why, right? If you look at the design, dead center, it has the look of a drone. Not a bad look at all. I like the style. I like the detail. Even in AOD mode, you are going to get a nice look so far as your time is concerned. But once this watch face is on, I like it. I like the index. I really like that drone look in the center of the watch face, right? And it's got a lot of information in here. So let's look at your step information. First of all, it's going to let you know how much of your goal you have completed. You see a needle right over there. It has a yellow tip to it. And it's going to give you your information so far as your steps are concerned. Over to your right, you got your battery info. Up at the top, now you get the best of both worlds, because not only do you get analog, you get digital as well. Now your analog hands kind of move as you move, so that's why you can't really see it right now. But when you download this watch face and see it in person, it is gonna look awesome. Now if you come down, you got your step status info like calories burned, miles walked or ran, your floors climbed, your heart rate. All the important information that most people look for out of a watch face is going to be here. Also, if you look around the bezel of the watch, you will get shortcuts like alarm. You'll be able to go into your music on your run. You're going to be able to make a phone call, go into your contacts. You're going to get your weather information, your S health. Everything you need is in this watch face. With a single tap, you can go right into it with no problem. Definitely, this is one for the archives, right? But listen, I'm not through yet. Check this out. Single tap right down at the bottom of the green dot. And you can cycle through the many different colors that this watch face has to offer, and they all look nice. You get quite a few in all. Not a bad deal, right? So check this out. If I keep tapping, I can get rid of that information. Just like that. Same thing here. And you can do it for this one, and you can make it a super casual dress-up watch face, right? Not a bad deal. So tap it again, and it'll bring it right back. I thought this was pretty nice. I thought it was worthy of a review. But the question is, at the end of the day, is it a download for you or not? All right, you all, don't forget, hit me in the comment section down below. It does help the channel, along with the fact that I need you all to hit the like button before you leave. Smash the notification bell so you can be notified when I drop more videos on this channel. And make sure you subscribe. All right, you all, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Enjoy the rest of your day and or night. And I'll see you all at the next one. Take care.